Seeing the free up space on your device to restore media error on WhatsApp on your iPhone? This happens when your device doesn't have enough storage to restore your media files. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the storage issue and restore your media on WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Then tap General. Next tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, delete app again. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp storage and data. Open up the Settings app. After that, tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down. Then tap Storage and Data. After that, tap Manage Storage. Now, make sure to remove unwanted or large data from here. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. In this way, you can solve the free up space on your device to restore your media error on WhatsApp on your iPhone. If these solutions work, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.